Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the replication of T4 bacteriophage. So T4 bacteriophage, it is an even phage of the bacterial cells. So T phages are classified into the two broad categories. These are T even phages and T odd phages. So the T4 phage, it is a well-known or well-studied example of the T phage. So what is mean bacteriophage? Specific types of the bacteria, specific types of the viruses, they have the three major categories. One that is the animal virus, second one that is a plant virus, and third one that is a bacterial virus. So the bacteria infected with the specific virus, they are considered as a bacteriophage. So these bacteriophage, they have the it is one of the specific structure. They have only made up of nucleic acid and proteins. They have no any specific machinery to synthesize the specific types of the proteins. For this, it is considered as a intracellular parasite, obligate intracellular parasite. Without host, it unable to survive. So, the specific types of the bacteriophages, they can use the host cell machinery for the replication or multiplication or also known as biosynthesis. So, for this purpose, it is must to enter into the bacterial cell. Without entrance, it is unable to use the host cell machinery. So, in case of the replication or the multiplication of the T4 phage, they have to require the specific host. So, the T4 phage or each and every specific types of the phage, this is replicated by the two manners. One that is a lytic cycle and second one that is a lysogenic cycle. In case of the lytic cycle, at the end of replication of the or at the end of virus replication, the host cell become lys. But in case of the lysogenic life cycle, at the end of replication cycle, the both virus as well as bacteria become survive. So depends on the specific environmental properties, also on the nutritional condition, the viruses decide the lytic and lysogenic replication cycle. So today we are basically concentrate on lytic life cycle. In case of the lytic life cycle or lytic way of the replication, the specific bacteriophage, they will be moves through five different stages. One that is the adsorption, second one penetration, biosynthesis, assembly, and release or lysis. So in case of the first step, that is the adsorption, there are the five major steps of the virus replication. Into that first step, the for the multiplication of viruses, it is must to attach the specific bacteriophage into the to the host cell. So more than the number of viruses, they will be attached at a time to the specific host, but a single virus or single virion, they can insert their genetic material into the host cell. So the specific in this given structure, it is a protective coat and viral chromosome, or it is a nucleic acids. They are the tail tube, tail fibers. By using these tail fibers, the specific types of the viruses, they will be moves on the surface of bacterial cell. This tail fiber help to the specific virion particles to move on the surface of bacterial cell up to the specific receptor, because viruses, these are the receptor specific. Without receptor, it is unable to bind to the specific host cell. So the specific types of the viruses, they will be moves on the surface of the bacterial cell by using a tail fibers. And when they get a specific receptor, they will be specific the base plate, they will be fixed on it, and by using a whiskers and tail fibers, they will be contract the specific tail tube and insert the genetic material into the host cell, and this step is known as a penetration. The whole or complete virion, it is can't enter into the specific host cell. Only and only the genetic material will be inserted into the inside the bacterial cell. But in case of the animal viruses and plant viruses, whole virion particle, they will be entered into the host cell. But in case of the bacterial viruses can't enter inside the host cell. Only genetic material will be inserted into the specific host cell. After the penetration or insertion of the genetic material into the host cell, the specific genetic material they will be synthesize the proteins by using a host cell machinery or a different enzyme required for the biosynthesis. This step is known as a biosynthesis. After the biosynthesis, the specific types of the cell or the specific virion they will be synthesized by after the biosynthesis they will be assembled the own structure by using a specific protein synthesized by the virus genetic material, and these specific proteins are act as a capsomers, and these capsomers these are made up the capsid. After the made up of capsid, also the tail fibers, whiskers are formed by the different proteins. Into that, these are the two types of genes: late genes and early genes. Some early genes these are responsible to prepare the genetic material. Late genes, most of the specific types of the movements of the viruses these are required at the end of the replication cycle. So synthesis of the late proteins and formation of assembly. In the assembly formation, the specific capsomers are protect the genetic material of the virion, and they will be prepared this complete assembly. After the completion of the assembly, the specific types of the viruses they are moves into the last stage of the replication, that is the lysis. In case of the lysis, the specific release of new virion particles from the host cell by lysing the host cell. Where the specific types of the lysis takes place by the tail fibers, the ends or tips of the tail fibers that consist the enzyme lysozyme, and this lysozyme break the cell wall of the host cell, and by lysing the host cell or these lysosome act on the peptidoglycan of the bacterial cell and lyse the host cell. By using these specific types of the lysosome, it is an degradative enzyme. The host cell become lysed, and the new virion particles they will be released out from the host cell. It is about the brief introduction of T4 replication of T4 bacteriophage. So the detail of this specific reproduction of T4 bacteriophage will be discussed into the next lecture. Thank you.